Essentially, he's making new piers and shoring up the existing beams till they're level. Okay, I like that. Running that one through there, he's gonna eliminate that roll on that. That's good. This is good, man. He's killing it. Cut my gusset. Wow. Wow, really? This is the bathroom at the end of day 2. Super bare, super stripped, getting tons done, son. That's where the shower will be. I believe that is what will be the plumbing for the freestanding faucet. Mama's freestanding tub's gonna go here in front of the giant window. It's gonna be freaking beautiful. Where that thing is actually more likely where the washer dryer is gonna be. I told him just put it wherever it'll fit, just whatever. That is the final placement for the vanity. This thing needs to get out of here.